Hello friends and welcome to my channel. Today it's Sunday Funday. This is a collab hosted by Diane and Yanni from Deco Easy and their new hosts Trish and Kay from the Crafting Cousins. So if you haven't checked out their channels, I'll link them below as well as a playlist so you can watch everybody's entry into Sunday Funday. Today I'm taking you to an antique warehouse. We're gonna look around, have some fun, see all the goodies, and I'm gonna let you know I only purchased one item, and I went there specifically to purchase this item. So I want you to watch carefully and guess which item I picked. So put your guess in the comments below. Are you ready? Let's get started. Here's what I picked. This Royal typewriter, you guys. It was $5 and it was 20% off, so I got it for $4. Now, it doesn't really work, but I just love the looks of it, and I wanted it for my den. And so here it is. Here's a quick little look. I need to do a lot of work in this room, especially now since we have the kitchen reno. I have things shoved in here, but you can just see this little part of it. Here's the lamp that I thrifted a while back, and I'm loving that. And then over here, this is the calculator I had at the job I had for 17 years. So let me know if you were correct and if you guessed. And if not, I'd love to know what you thought I picked up. Next, I'm going to give you a kitchen update. Lots has been going on. Are you ready to see it? Take a look. Here's my kitchen, how it's coming along. Now, if you've been watching, you've already seen the flooring, but I'll give you a little peek. It's covered by this contractor's paper so that I don't get it ruined while everybody's working here. There's my cabinets, the electrical work's almost done. And look at my countertops. They're granite, and I just love them. Over here and over here. I'll show you the sink in a minute. And today, my tile guy just finished the tile. There's a feature wall here over my peninsula. And then there's tile over here. This is where the stove will go. And that's coming on Monday, tomorrow. So there's my husband's mask that needs laundered. That wasn't planned. And here is my sink. So it's dirty. I haven't cleaned up from when the tile guy was here yet, but I'll be doing that next. And here's the tile behind the sink. Now where the wood pieces are, that's where there's going to be 2 floating shelves. So let me know what you think. Here's a close-up of the granite. These are the lights that we had installed in our ceiling, and they're on a dimmer switch, which I love. So they can go from very bright all the way down to just a little bit. And then when I was showing you this wall, our feature wall, I forgot to tell you that the metal brackets are for shelving that we're going to have installed as well. And it's huge. It's going to span the whole length of the tile. So we'll be able to decorate it for all the seasons. Yay! And now for my top commenter. It's Melody Little. She's been my friend since I was a little girl, and I don't even remember life before Melody. She's a faithful subscriber and watcher of my channel, and she always puts comments down there, and they're always sweet. So I hope you're watching, Melody. Congratulations on being my top commenter, and thank you so much. Love you. I hope you enjoyed Sunday Funday. Don't forget to check out the playlist. If you'd like to follow me on Instagram, I'll link that below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.